Okay, guys. So the first thing that we need is to understand how to log into WhatsApp, right? That's the first thing. So what you can do is basically you can come to your normal Chrome, okay, and just type WhatsApp web in Google search. Okay, WhatsApp web. Once you do that, you're going to get to this first link basically, which is going to be web.whatsapp.com. So you click on this, right? Once you click on this, then what you have to do is you have to go onto your mobile phone. Okay. So go to your mobile phone, open WhatsApp on your mobile phone. On your mobile phone, on the top right, you will have three dots in WhatsApp. Okay. Just click on that. Third option mostly would be a linked device or whatever number it would be, right? Just click on linked devices. LINKED, linked devices. Okay. Once you click on that, it will say link a device. So just click on it. So after that, just give your fingerprint or password, whatever, and just scan this. So I have now scanned this. Once you scan this, right, your WhatsApp will open on your browser. Okay. Now, why I'm telling you this, why this is important, because all the things that we are going to do, right, during this whole batch is going to come into this folder for you. Okay. Everything will come onto this chat here, right? And all the documents and everything that we will have to send you, we are going to send you here. Okay. So let's say for today, I have to send you this installation document. So that also I'm going to send you from here on. So what I'll do, I'll come here. You can also do the same thing. You can come here, just say document, and then attach whatever you want basically. So let's say I want to attach this. I'll come here. And then we want the installation batch, validate installation, and yeah. Yeah, the installation document is here, and I can click on it and I can send you. Okay, so that's one way of using it. The other way that we want you to use is to use snipping tool. Okay, so snipping tool, what it does, it takes a portion of whatever screen you want and sends that as a screenshot. Okay, so I want to, let's say, take this photo, right? So I'll take a photo and then it will come here and I can copy it and send it to the group, right? So that is how you're going to ask me questions basically. So this way, okay, you just copy and paste it here and that's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, guys, did everyone understand till here this piece? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because see, what happens is when you take a photo from your mobile phone and send it, right, that photo is not very clear. The things, the errors that we get will not be very, very clear. Okay. So that's why always we try to prefer that you send it out like this to us. Okay. And if you are using on the WhatsApp web on your laptop device, you can just download the things that we have given you as well. So it becomes easy that way. Okay. Cool then. So now let's get started with the actual class for today, right? So today it's going to be all installation, all the applications that we would need, right? We are going to just help you with installations, right? So if there is anyone else who wants to still part or join, right? So you can ping them, you can tell them, okay, yeah, you can go ahead and join because nothing major was covered today. Okay. So this file, right, that I have sent you, for many of you, it might happen that it might not open properly. Like for me, like it's saying right now, if I double click on this document, it is saying that, okay, it cannot find that. Okay. The easiest way to open it is, right, just go to your Google, go to your normal drive, right, whatever drive you have. Just log into your Google and just go to drive. And what you can do is inside that, right, just upload this file. Okay. This file, take it and upload it onto your drive. I'm uploading my file right now. Just showing you this, guys, because this becomes important. Okay. Then you can open that file here. So that file will open on your browser directly, not on your local. Okay. And once you open that, then once this opens, right, it will have those links. And this, if you double click, right, it will open up a document. Okay. So it is going to work very, very fine on your drive. Just open it on your drive, this file, and then you will be able to Because see, many people don't have authentic Microsoft Office. One of them is me also. So something happened to my office and I was not able to log in. So from then I have been using WPS, which is not allowing me to open these. Okay. So that happens. So it's okay, no problem. So what you can simply do is just keep this file onto your drive, right? And from that drive, you can open it anytime, anyhow you want. Everyone understanding till here? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, cool. So now for anything that you have to do, right, you need Java. Okay, so Java is very important to have here, right? Without Java, you won't be able to do anything. Okay, so what you have to do is first thing you will have to open, you have to type CMD, right? Once you type CMD, the command prompt window will come up, right? On that command prompt, you have to write this that you see here, right? Java hyphen version. So you have to write JAVA Java space dash version. Okay. There is no space after dash, right? You have to do this. Once you do that and put enter, right, it is going to show you what Java you have. Okay. So in my machine, I have Java. That's why it's showing me this, right? But if you don't have Java, right, it is going to show you something like this. Java is not recognized as an internal file or block. Okay. So if this error comes, right, or if any Java comes apart from 11 point something, okay, 11 point is what is needed. After that, it could be any version like 14, 13, whatever, 15, 17, whatnot, right? But it should at least be 11. So if it is 11 point something, right, then you're good. If it is anything other than that, right, then there is a problem. So you need Java. Okay. So what are the steps now to install Java? Right? If you don't have Java 11 or if you have Java which is another than 11, right? So you need to follow these steps. Okay. What you need to do is you need to go to this link, right? Everything is given very properly here. Okay. You need to go to that link. Then you have to click on Java archive. Okay. Then you have to go to Java SE and here you will see Java SE 11. Okay. Don't take this 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, right? They look like a larger number that they actually are not. Okay. So that's actually 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.7. Okay. 11 is the highest number here. So you have to go to Java 11, right? Click on that. Take whatever is for Windows, right? All this Mac is for different things. Just take for Windows 67 installer, download it. If you already have a website, I mean, link in Oracle, then it will be easy. If you don't, then you will have to basically sign up. Okay. So if you have the ID, you can directly click on download. But if you don't, then you will have to sign up. So basically there is an option for sign up here. You can just say create an account. Okay. So if someone already has an ID, then they can just directly log in. If you don't have an ID, just click on create account. Okay. So create account you will click on. Then you will give all your details. You give correct email address. Okay. That's very important. After that, you can give anything. It's fine. No one is actually going to check. Okay. Just create the account. Once your account is created, right? Then the verification email will come on your email ID. That's why I'm saying give correct email, right? Then you can click on this. And after that, you can again download the same thing. Okay. So you will get this Java here. So once this is downloaded on your machine, you can just double click on it and then just say next, next. So next to this, and that's it. Okay. So after that, what you need to check is you should go to your C drive, right? Go to your C drive, go to your program files, right? And you should have Java, and inside Java, you should have JDK. Okay. And you should have only one here. If you have anything else, right, just delete that. You need only one Java here. Okay. So guys, for everyone who is there in the class, right, you don't need to do it right now with me. Okay. You are going to get this YouTube video, right? You can just go to that YouTube video later on and then follow the steps. You can pause the video, continue the steps, then again pause the video, continue the steps. So you can do that. Okay. You don't need to do it right away. We are going to send you this YouTube video. Fine. Whatever I'm doing, right, it's getting recorded and we'll put it on YouTube. Okay, so don't worry. So you need only one Java here basically. Okay, clear till there? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So after this, once you have this right, you again will go to start and you will type environment variable. Okay. So here you are going to get edit environment and system variables. Go to that, click on environment variable, and you need to create a path. Okay. So this is something that you need to create. If you have it already, then you are just going to edit it. If you don't have it, you are going to click on new and create here PATH, P capital, ATH small. Okay. So if you already have it, then fine, just edit it. If you don't have it, click on new and then give path here. And what variable value you are going to give, it is going to be this folder bin, right? This folder you have to paste. So copy this and then you can paste it here and just add a one more hyphen here. Okay. So the path variable name should be this and variable value should be till bin. Okay. It should be JDK 11 point something, whatever it might be, and then slash bin. Okay, you can just click on OK. Fine. If you don't have this, I mean, if you already have this, then you will click on edit, right? In the edit, you will go new and there you will give the link like this. Okay. And once you give that, you're going to move it up on the top. So right now I already have it, so I'll just delete it. But yeah, so your link of the bin, right, should be on the top. Is it clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now same thing you will do again in for system variables. The path variable should be mostly this is already there. If it is not, again, just go and click on new and you can give it here also. And then you can edit it again and add a new variable and take it up on the topmost. Okay. Always keep this on the topmost. Rest all whatever is there, don't delete anything, guys. Okay. Let that be there. Just take this to the top. Okay. You can move up it. Fine. So that is all that you have to do the settings here. Once you do this, you will be able to at least run Talent later on. Okay. And after this is done, right, you can just try and again put Java hyphen version. And once you do that, right, you will be able to see your version, whatever it might be. Okay. It should be 11 point something. Okay. So once you're done with this, so this is the basically the first step of doing things, right? So that's you need Java. Okay. Now after Java, what you need, you will going to open Talent. Okay. So again for Talent, we have given you all these steps. All you need to do is just click on this, right? With this, the link will open, right? Okay. So just click on this link, guys, and then this will take you here. You can just click on download now. Once you click on download now, again, it will ask you your things, right? Just give your correct email address, rest all whatever you want to give, you can. Okay, once you do that, a link will come onto your email, right? And that email you will have to click download the application. Okay, once you do that, the application will download like this. Okay, and then you can just double click on it. And once you double click on it, it will open up like this, the screen. You can do next. Okay, just say next. Here you can say I accept, say next. It will take a few minutes to just unload and download things, and then that's it. Just say finish. Okay. So after this, all these other steps, right, I'll take in tomorrow's class. You really don't have to do it. Just do things till this 8th step. Okay. Even if you try to now open, you should be able to open. So what you can try, you can just go to this path and click on this once and see if this screen is coming up. Because if this screen is coming up, right, that means your Java is installed properly. Okay. You can just do that check if you want to. But yeah, once you do that, just click on I accept and then just close it. Don't do anything after that. So don't do anything beyond step number 12, guys. Okay. This I'll take tomorrow. I'll explain you what is a project, what is a repository, and everything in Talent. Right after that, you should do this. Okay. So do only till step number 11, guys. Please. That's a request. If you want to do, then tomorrow again you will have to do it separately. But yeah, don't do all of these steps. The steps I'll give you tomorrow. Okay. Do only till step number 11. Fine. So this is all that you need to install Talent. Anyone, any questions? Any questions, guys? Here? Okay, fine then. So then let's after this, that's done. So after this, you need to install Postgres. Okay. So Postgres is nothing but going to be our database, right? Where we are going to run our queries, create our tables and everything. So again, for this, we have a link. You'll have to click on this link, click on this, download the installer. Then you will download whatever is the latest. In my screenshot, it is 13.4, but I think 14 has also come. So you can take the latest one. That is fine. Okay. Whatever is latest for Windows, just take that. You can download it. Once you download it, it will come like this. When you double click on that downloaded application, go ahead, do next. Here also do next. Then next. I mean, this one is a bit long, so it takes time also. You can do next again. Here you are going to give password, guys. Okay. So this password is very important. You will have to remember this password, guys. Okay. Don't forget this because this is something that you're going to keep using throughout this training. Okay. This password that you're going to keep here. So whatever you type here, remember that. Okay. You don't have to forget this. Okay. Give the password here. Then don't change this number. This is the port number. You don't have to change it. Keep it same. Okay. Then you go ahead and just do next for some time. Okay, this also next, this also next. Here it is ready to install. Okay. Now once it is ready to install, right? After this next, there is going to be this step. Okay. Make sure that you, I mean, look at it very carefully, right? It will give you an option of launch stack builder at exit. Okay. This will be automatically tick. You have to actually untick it, guys. Okay. You have to untick this. Here the step is given, right? Unselect the box where it says, I mean, for the below screen. Okay. So when it says launch stack builder at exit, just untick this. Okay. This step itself is going to take some time depending on your system speed, right? It might take from 15 minutes to 50 minutes, right? Some old machines will take 50 minutes for this step. Okay, guys. So please make sure that when this step comes, right, launch stack builder at exit, just untick this and then the finish will come directly. Because if you don't untick it, right, if this tick is there, it will still be next and you will keep on doing next. Okay, so don't do that. It is going to take then hours to complete and that is not needed at all. So once this launch stack builder comes, right, just click on it, untick this and just say finish. Okay. Once you say finish, then the pgadmin 4 application will be installed on the start menu itself. So you can go to start menu and click on pgadmin 4 and then give here password. Okay. If this does not work also, for some people, right, this piece will not work because of your application things, but that's fine. Okay. You actually don't need to make this work. This pgadmin 4 is something that if it is there, it's good. If it is not there, then also it's fine. Okay. No worries at all. We are going to use dbeaver. We are not going to use pgadmin 4. Okay. So I'm just letting you know. So all you need to do is give that same password that you kept on the top. Okay. Give that password here. Again, it will ask you give that password here. Okay. So this is the part where you see that, okay, password is needed and all, but actually what is needed is, so you will go to services. Okay. Just go to start, type services. Inside this service, right, you will find, I mean, just click anywhere and just say P. Okay, so when you press P, right, it is going to show you all the things for P. So this is what is needed. Okay, you need this Postgres SQL. there should be a service like this which should be running. If this is there, right, then everything is good. You don't even need these steps. Okay, all the steps from here are not needed. Only till here finish is fine. After that, right, you need to go and check into your services that this service is running. Okay, guys. So this is something that is important. Rest all is just fine. If it is there, good. If it is not there, they all. Is it clear for everyone this piece? Yes or no, guys? This service.
Yes.
Okay. So keep this running, right? And you don't have to change or do anything here. You can just close this. If that is running, right, that means your installation is successful. Okay. So after this, what we need is this dbeaver. So this dbeaver is nothing but this application, which is going to help you to run queries. Okay. So again, you will have the link. Just click on this link. Go to Windows 64-bit installer. Right. Press next. That's it. This is going to be very simple. This one. Don't change anything anywhere. Right. Just do next. Again, next, and install. Okay. And then it will say this, and then you just have to finish. Okay. So when I take the class, I think I'll take the fifth or sixth class for the database, right? Then we are going to run this up again. Okay, so you just need to install it and keep it. Fine. Okay, guys, clear for this one also? Sorry.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so this is it. These other things, right, which you see here, they are not needed for now. Okay, they are needed when we do the real world. Okay, so that's after 30 days. So you don't have to worry about that. All you need to do is these four things, right? That is what is needed. Okay, so just install these things. Then one extra thing that is nothing but Notepad++. Okay, so Notepad++ again helps you with few things. So what you can do for Notepad++ is go anywhere, right, and type Notepad++. Okay, so this one is super easy. Just go to this Notepad++ and download. You can download this and then just open it and do next. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. So this one is super easy. If I click on this, right, it will download the application here. Right. If I click on this installer, right, I can just install it and then I'll on my local just do next. Is it clear, guys? This one? Just install this because this is one application that we are going to use to open our things basically. Okay, so this is how your Notepad++ looks like, and this is how you are going to see like, okay, what application is installed now. Is it clear, guys? This piece still here? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so give it a try for all of these guys. Now there is one extra link that we have here, okay, which is a shortcut link. So there are going to be few people, right, who will not be able to just open or install Java. Okay, Java is the one where people always have difficulties. So what we have done is we have given you this separate link. Okay, this is a direct link. Okay, this is not the correct way of doing it, guys. You need an Oracle ID to always download Java. That's the correct way of doing it. But this is like a shortcut way of things. So if at all you have to do, right, you can do this. All these are just errors that become. Okay. So once you do click on that, right, it will start the download in few seconds. So see, right, it started the download. Right, so this is how it downloads. So this one, it's, I mean, direct download, right? But then again, right, it's not what we recommend. we recommend you to go through this process only to download the Java. Okay, but here you would have to create that Oracle ID because most of you will not have it. So some people find it difficult. Some people don't get that email, right? When you click on create account, here you have to give your email, right? So that link does not come to your email box. So there are people who had it difficult in the past. Okay. So if it becomes difficult, then you can go and directly use the link that I'm going to give you for Java. Okay. But ideally, I would suggest you to use this process of the installation document. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Just try not to use the easy link. Okay, I'll give you the easy link, but try that you directly get it from the WhatsApp that I have given. Okay. So in the WhatsApp, I've already given you this installation document. All you need to do is just open that installation document and follow all the steps. Okay. So it takes around like 1 hour or 2 hours max. Hey, so sorry guys. There was some internet issue on my side. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, yep, guys. So that's basically the things that we wanted to discuss related to Talent and all the installations. Okay. So please try this all these steps today. Right. I've already given you the document. So just give it a try. If you have any issues, directly ping on the group. Okay. Personal chats are not entertained. Okay. I won't even reply if you try personally to me. Okay. Everything that you have to do should go to the group. There are mentors in the group basically who can help you at any time, right? So just whatever is your question, ping in the group. Someone is going to help you for sure. Okay. Basically wait for at least 10-15 minutes. Don't be like, "Ki, I have pinged right now and I'm not getting reply." Right? Sometimes someone is busy also. But we have people assigned like basically from morning till night 10, right? We have people assigned, someone or the other will always help you, right? That's why we prefer not to have personal chats. Okay. So all you can do is just put your question on the group. That's it.